How to delete your Gemini crypto account permanently. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that all of your portfolio is empty. For that, sell all of the crypto to a flat, or you can withdraw it or transfer your tokens to an external wallet. So for that, you would need to get into your homepage. Then you can see the option of transfer, tap on it and go along with the process of transferring all of your crypto and then making your portfolio empty. So after doing that, here you would need to get to the settings. So simply tap on the account option on the top right corner, and after doing that, you will actually be able to see settings. Tap on it and then you can see the option of close your account. So all you need to do is simply tap on that one. You can actually find that option on the very bottom of the page. Scroll all the way down, you'll be able to see it. Tap on it and then confirm via the email link sent to you, and that is exactly how you'll be able to delete your Gemini crypto account permanently. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.